Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, I'll show you how to run Facebook catalog sales set with instant experience. Okay, so this would be a complete process and I'll show you how we can easily do it. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see over here, I am on the ads manager section. Okay, so we'll be creating a new campaign. So for creating a new campaign, I'm gonna click on this button called create. Okay, then as the campaign objective, I'll be choosing sales. Then I'll click on continue, and I'm gonna be choosing manual setup instead of this tailored setup. Okay, so I'm gonna be choosing manual sales campaign. Then I have to give a name of my campaign, so I can name it as 𝗘𝗺 𝗨𝗀, which is my brand name, catalog sales campaign. Okay, catalog I should write. Yeah, and we're not gonna be selecting any special ad categories. Perfect. Then I'm gonna be turning this on Advantage Plus catalog ads. Okay, you can see over here, this is my product feed or catalog. Okay, perfect. Then if you want to use advantage campaign budget, you can do that. Actually, if you use multiple ad groups, then you can enable this option for A/B testing, which one is performing well, then Facebook will spend more to that specific uh, ad set or ad groups. So for the time being, I'll disable this option and I'll click on next because I'll be creating only one ad set. So I can name it as 𝗘𝗺 or catalog sales ad set. Okay, you can name it as per your requirements, no worries. Then from the performance goal section, I'm gonna be choosing maximize number of conversions. Okay, so by default it will be selected maximize number of clicks, so you need to change it to maximize number of conversions because I want to get more conversions, not click. Okay, as the conversion event purchase is by defaultly selected. Okay, so I'll keep it as purchase. Then if you want to use cost per result goal, then you can give it, but for the time being I'll not be using any cost per result goal. Okay, then you'll have the product feed over here. So if you use different product sets, then all will be appearing over here, but currently I have uh, uh, only one product set, which is all products, because for this I want to advertise for this product page and we only have 4 products. That's why I'm not gonna be categorize it. I'm not gonna be using any segment. Then as the daily budget, I'll keep the daily budget as 50 Australian dollar. Okay, then I'll not be giving any end date, December 1. Okay, then I don't want to schedule any budget. So we're in the audience type section. So we have 2 options available here. Like you can find prospectives customer even if they haven't interacted with your business. So this is the new prospect if you want to target them. But catalog sales ad is basically used for the dynamic remarketing. So I'm gonna be selecting this one, retarget ads to people who interacted with your product on your Facebook, okay, on your website. So I'll be selecting the second option. Then you can see over here we have different segments available here, like you can choose viewed or added to cart but not purchase, or added to cart but not purchase. Okay, so I'll be selecting the first one, viewed or added to cart but not purchase. Last 14 days you can customize the date range. So for example, I'll be using last 30 days. So I'm gonna target them who have viewed or added to cart but did not make any purchase from my website. Okay, so you have these options available here as well, added to cart but not purchase. And if you want to upsell products, then you can select this option. If you want to cross sell products, then you can select this option as well. And if you have some custom combination, then you can choose this option. Okay, then uh, you have the option to select custom audiences. Okay, if you want, you can choose the custom audiences, but I'm okay with the targeting. Then as the placement, if you want to customize it, you can choose manual placement as well, but not be choosing any manual placement because I'll be keeping it as advantage plus placement, which is recommended. Then I'll click on next. Then I'm gonna name this as catalog collection sell set. Okay, then you need to choose your Facebook page, Instagram account, and from the format option, add setup format option, I'll be choosing collection. Okay, if you want, you can choose carousel or single image or video ads, but I'll be choosing collection. Okay, then we have the add creatives option and product featured in feed. I will choose dynamically selected. Okay, which is recommended, but if you want, then you can choose this customize up to 4 products to feature. Okay, we have primary text option, headlines option, so I'm gonna use this as our primary text. Okay, and I'm gonna use this as our headline. Perfect. Then we have the option called instant experience, so I need to click on create new. Then we have 2 options, digital, circular, and storefront. So for the time being, I'll be choosing this one and I'll click on next. Create an instant experience. So you can see over here how the ads will be looking like. So I'm gonna click on clear video and I will be using our video. Okay, so I have already uploaded the video over here. I'm gonna use one of them, for example this one. Then you can see how the video will be looking like. Okay, so this is the video and this would be our product sets. So product set is selected, all products display up to 50 products. Okay, then if you want to select pricing or shipping info, or if you want to customize it, you can do it. Okay, but I'll keep it as same it is. So as the product headline, it will be taking product name, then product current price. Okay, perfect. And if you want to add another product set, then you can do it from here, but for the time being, I'm not using it. And in the button section, you can write shop now. And we need to provide the destination URL. So I'll be using this product page. So I'll give this destination URL. Then you can see over here how the ads will be looking like. Then I'll click on done. Just wait a little bit. Then I'm gonna click on override catalog deep links. Okay, set catalog deep links. I will be using my product page URL. Then if you have mobile app, then you can choose mobile app like Android, iOS, you know, Windows. And as the tracking, I'll be using website events and I'll be uh, using this pixel, 𝗘𝗺 𝗨𝗀 pixel. Okay, so this one. Then if you want to use URL parameters, then you can use UTM parameters. Okay, so you can see how the ads will be looking like. So there will be video over here, and underneath the video will have the images, product images. Okay, perfect. Then if we want to see the ads further, then we can click on advanced preview, then you can see it over here. The video will be playing over here, and underneath the video will have this option called product sets. Okay, perfect. So if you want to share the ads, you can click on the share link, then link sharing option, then select either 30 or 60 days, and you can copy this link and send to the client. Okay, perfect. So if everything is okay, then you can hit publish. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can set up a catalog sales ad with instant experience. you know So that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. And additionally, if you need any Facebook ad services for your e-commerce store or service-based business, then you can directly call us. You can WhatsApp us. You can directly mail us. Okay, we have provided our WhatsApp number, email information. So hopefully we'll have a great collaboration together. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.